Hi, beautiful people all over the world. Iyabo, I saw a lot of stupid comment from you saying this video. You said this video is on set of a movie. Check the video very well, Iyaboju. If this video is on set of a movie, with the video you manipulated to cover something best known to you about this Mohbad brother, I mean a video of Sam Larry, go and rewatch the video you used about Sam Larry to manipulate the public, and this video, check the one that can actually harm Mohbad. Remember, you told the public that you never met Mohbad before. Now, if this video is on movie set, is this another video on movie set? This, pardon me, is this?
Naira Maley, our foundation is going to write you a letter because we need you to deliver payment of all his royalties with you. And you need to dissolve whatever contract that you have with him because he's dead. But before you do that, we need you to disclose, we need a disclosure of his music agreement with you. Look, I'm coming again. Naira Maley, or the Malian's record, I don't know what you call your record label. We will write to you. We need payment of his royalties with you. And we need a disclosure of his musical or music agreement with you. And then you can close the contract. But we need that from you. So you're going to be hearing from us. Okay.
Now, did you obtain any letter of consent from Mohbad's father? Are you in any form related to Mohbad's family? Is this what really by Mohbad? I mean royalty and his properties. Is that what really by Mohbad? Is this on movie set as well? Iyabo, if anybody do this to your child or your children, how would you feel? A Yoruba adage says, Baba omo lolomo. The father is still alive. He has a mother. Iyabo, why did you destroy the family? Because of donations and ransom. Because of royalties. If I may ask, a child that is father, I mean a father that played a role of a dearest mother in life of Mohbad is still much alive. Iyabo, where were you when Mohbad father went to Lapo to borrow money to send Mohbad to school? Iyabo, where were you when Mohbad was abandoned by his, I don't want to mention, the father that labored with empty stomach? Iyabo, you subject this man to bully. Even under Gislover said the poor man was the one that buy his own son. The WhatsApp group leaked. Iyabo, you addressed that man that labored for his son. I mean a father. You hardly see a father like Baba Mohbad in the whole world, most especially in Nigeria. You address the man as a bastard father. And you said his pains to know what really by his son. You said is a dead on arrival. If I may ask you, Iyabo, is this also a movie set? Come and check this. Come and check this. Come and check this.
Finish it there. That's what I said. Please respect me now. Please. Don't come inside. Please come here. Let them finish it there. That was the agreement. Let them finish it there. Let them finish it there.
Where is that? How are you? Oh, thank you. How are you? Okay. I come to federal government, and of course, the camera has to be there.
Iyabo, these innocent men in this video did not know your intention. But you, Iyabo, how would you feel if one of your child or your 2 children buy and Baba Mohbad, without your consent, went to go and hire hundreds of bloggers, press to your son or your daughter's house? How would you feel? What you just did to Baba Mohbad, Iyabo, if we have to play the table around, who can ever try that with you? Who? Is this video a movie set? What is that thing in your heart that makes you believe that you can do and undo to the pause that nobody will checkmate you? Iyabo, can you ever tolerate this? You brought a lot of press men to where Mohbad by without Mohbad's father. I mean, the man that nurtured his own son with empty stomach was not on seat, and he was not there. Iyabo is your audacity for me. I insist the world must know where Mohbad performed when he traveled with you to UK. The world must know. You see, the game you played, how you quickly pin what happened to Mohbad, how you quickly pin it on different people's neck, it shows that you are hiding something. Remember what you did to me and my family. Iyabo.